I'm Neville and I'm the Secretary of the Independent Vending Machine Operators Association of Australia. IVMA is over 20 years old. It was initially formed to provide a presence to major Australian distributors. Most of the applications come through our website. There are links on there to apply for membership and let us know why they want to join. Our website is www.ivmoa.asn.au, and we're also trying to generate business for our members in new locations and business opportunities. Yep, anytime any of our executive are located throughout Australia, and more than happy to have a chat and meet up with any prospective new members. We currently have about 100 members, and the advantages to membership is that we are a group of professional vending operators that aim to provide an independent service of vending services to various premises who want our services. We're looking at providing an option to the multinationals and their monopoly on their own products. Yeah, most of the new members find that they get feeding off the older members and their experiences, and finding better ways of running their businesses more efficiently. Also, we provide support for any maintenance and advice for any breakdowns or spare parts that might be hard to get that some of our members have got in their inventory. We provide a buying group and negotiate with major manufacturers and suppliers on pricings and deals for our members, and also for equipment-wise for various coin mechs and note acceptors and vending equipment. www.ivmoa.asn.au